Okay, let's go to question 7. It says, what is the domain? So domain's asking you for the x values. So 2, 4, 6, 8. And that's all there is to that. If it's asking you for the domain in a mapping diagram, it would be the numbers on the left. X is on the left, Y is on the right. Question 8. Does this set of ordered pairs represent a function or not? So you're looking to see if each x is paired with only one y, and this answer is yes, because every x value corresponds to exactly one y value. Question 9. Does this graph show a function? Oh dear, I got logged out. Let's pause for a second. Okay, 9a. Does this graph show a function? Yes, it does. It passes the vertical line test. Remember, if you can put a vertical line anywhere through this graph and it only crosses at one place, then it is a function. So yes, it passes the test. Question 10, does this graph show a function? No, it does not. If you were to draw a vertical line through that, it would cross twice. So it does not pass the vertical line test. It fails the vertical line test. 11a, find the domain of the graphed function. Okay, so this is why we were working on interval notation. The domain, remember, means the x values that are included in this graph right here. So if you go up to right here, you see the x's must start at 2, -2, and they go all the way over to 10. So, I'm sorry, these are by 2's, so it's actually -4, -2, -4, -6, -8, -10. So this is a -4, that's a +10. So all the x values are between, including -4 and +9. Okay. 11b. Find the domain of the graphed function. The x values, again, it starts here at the 0 and it keeps going, it looks like, for infinity. So here we can just say, we don't have to use a compound interval notation. We can just say x is everything greater than or equal to 0. Okay. 11c. Find the domain. We're looking for the x's. This time it comes from -infinity this way, and it stops right here where the x would have to be 0. So the way we can describe that is just x is less than or equal to 0. Okay, skip to 12a. This time it's asking you for the range. So we're focusing on the y-axis, looking up and down. And again, this is by 2's. So that's why it starts with -4. It goes from -4 all the way up to +8. So we say -4 is less than or equal to y, because we're talking about the range this time, is less than or equal to 8. 12b, find the range of the function. We're talking about the y's. So, and start with your lesser number first. It's halfway between -8 and 10, so that's why your answer starts with a -9. So all the y's are somewhere between, including -9 and all the way up to 2, 4, 5. So -9 is less than or equal to, y is less than or equal to 5. 12c, range. Looking at the y-axis here. So we're going from -2, -4, -6 up to, it looks like, 9. So the y's are between -6 and 9, including -6 and 9. I have 25 seconds. Let's see. How many 13s do I have? I have 3, and I can't get all those in 10 seconds. So I'm going to go ahead and stop, and I'll include the rest in a little bit.